So we want to test the Tesla self-driving function. This is the app. This is what it looks like. You can add the driver, set up phone key, which I use my phone as a key, key cards and things like that. But this is just to see how far the full self-driving has gone. Okay, so I just want to talk about the computing of this car. Basically, we already know this is a car, Tesla. It's a self-driving car, but Tesla is not an automobile company. They are a tech company. So basically, it's a tech that has wheel. So look at it like your phone, your computer, your machines, your dishwasher, you know, things like that. That's what Tesla sees itself like. They are like a machine that, you know, drives, that takes you from one point to another point. The question will be, how smart is this? How smart can this get? What is the future of tech? What's the future of AI? Because as much as it has the camera, what it majorly works with is this. Everything comes from here. The way it drives, the way it moves, how safe it can get. This is what decides that. So the information from the camera, the information from the sensors, the wheels, the steering, the air conditioning, everything comes from here. How it's able to calculate the road, see people, the self-driving tool, how it works, how it's able to see people, how it's able to stop when it should, how it's able to read traffic signs. Everything comes from here. So we call this iPad on wheels. So this is more like an iPad, you know, having your computer and then telling your computer, hey, let's go to the store, I want to go home, I want to go to work, you know, and then your iPad takes you to work. But how good is this? What does this run on? The chip this runs on is what processes all those information, seeing people, calculating the distance, how far it needs to get, how far it should get, how far we need to get to, when to stop, when to, you know, increase your speed, how fast should you be on the road, you know, calculating what's behind you, what's in front of you, things like that. So they're all done in this computer. So let's also talk about the rear screen of the car. We already have that one. That one is what powers the whole thing, but your passengers can also get different features on their car, like they can watch a video, let's say watch YouTube. So while you're driving, your passenger can have a YouTube video to watch, find something, tech mansion. So you can simply watch. So the interface is different, but yeah, you can watch video. Does it play through the car speaker? Yep, it does play through the car speaker. How do you increase the volume? The question is, what quality can you get up to? You can get up to 4K. So this should be a 4K display because it works, it plays the video in 4K. And then you can watch Netflix on it, say your favorite show. I think you can also do Spotify or download more apps. Right now this just has the basic apps. But yeah, you can do all this. Increase the screen brightness. You can sync the screen brightness with that one there. You have a clean display mode. Hold to exit in 3 minutes. Okay, you can also reduce the fan from here. Hey Grok. So another question, does the AI respond with voice command? Grok. Nope, it doesn't. Now it has AI inbuilt. I think it has Grok. I think you press this. Where am I right now? So it said command not understood. Oh, so now it needs permission. Where am I right now?
You're at 701 South Capitol of Texas Highway in Austin, Texas.
So what's the distance from here to the airport?
It's about 11 miles to Austin Bergstrom International Airport. Want me to set a route?
Not yet. Okay, let's go to Walmart. Do we have any Walmart close to this area?
Yeah, there's a Walmart Supercenter at 5017 US 290, just 3.9 miles away. Route set there.
All right, take me there. Okay, I hit start self-driving, and here we go. Again.
Self-driving engaged to Walmart. Sit back and relax.
Okay, says sit back and relax. Yeah.
Good. Just chill while we cruise to Walmart. Almost there in a few minutes.